Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome Instagram story from scratch. Whether you are sharing a fun moment, promoting something, or just want to get creative, Instagram stories are the perfect way to do it. First, find the Instagram app and open it. At the top left, you will see your profile picture with a plus sign around it. Tap on it. Now in the story, you can also upload photos or videos from your gallery, or you can take photo or video directly from the Instagram story camera. For the story, you can also find the filters that you can add. Here you can also find few options for the story. After selecting the edit, simply click on to the circle and record a video or take a photo. Now you can also edit the video from top of the options from here, and after selecting it, simply tap onto your story. And that's it. You are now ready to create your own Instagram stories and share your moments in a fun, interactive way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.